you wanna roll with a good girl, do it big, do it all for a good girl. One time, this is a song for the good girl. Don't sleep when you know you got a good girl. One time, this is a song for the good girl. Wanna roll with a good girl. One time, this is a song for the good girl. And I still keep it real, still treat you like I should. What's up?
Hi everybody. So today I'll be showing you guys my method for my 2-strand twist. And as you guys can see, when I twist my hair, I like to make sure I get my curls really defined and just have a real distinctive curl pattern. So I'm going to show you guys the method I use to get my hair looking this way. So I'm starting on freshly washed hair, and this is what it looks like. And I'm going to section my hair into 4 different sections and then start applying my products to it, to each section. So I'll be using the Can 2 leave-in conditioner and then the Cream of Nature curling pudding. So I will apply those products starting from the bottom and working my way to the top. I start off by applying Can 2, then I apply the Cream of Nature, and then I will section my hair off and start twisting it. So I put the product in, and when I do my 2-strand twists, I like to make sure I have them into small sections because I feel like that looks better. So I'm going to show you guys how I do the rest of my 2-strand twists.
Charlie?
You know they don't wanna see us together, but it don't matter, no. 'Cause I got you. Anytime you're under the weather, babe, we can always go. If I gotta pull up on you on the east side in a late night in a disguise, you know I could pull up on you, keep you all night. We can stay right on the safe side. One way or another, I'ma love you. Sliding undercover. They don't wanna see it happen, but we say fuck it. They don't wanna see it happen, but we say.
So right now I am flat twisting my hair at the very front. I like to do a flat twist because it really just changes up this look of the hairstyle. I can take it down later on and do 2 flat twists or just keep it as 1, but it really adds a little bit extra to the hairstyle. So that's what I'm doing, and this is what my hair looks like once I've finished completely twisting my entire head. And then now for me to add the curling effect of it. So I go through once again and apply the exact same products, the Can 2 and the Cream of Nature. And then I also plait my hair. And then once I've finished plaiting it, I will put a perm rod at the very end of my hair and roll my hair.
One way or another, I'ma love you. Sliding undercover. They don't wanna see it happen, but we say fuck it. They don't wanna see it happen, but we say fuck it. Baby, they don't wanna see me be happy, 'cause they ain't happy, no. They don't got you. Something about the way we be acting, baby, I'm magical. Might just have to hit me up on the late night when it's game time. I don't play nice. I need you to hit me up on my fake line. Hit that 6-9, yeah, that FaceTime. One way or another, I'ma love you. Sliding undercover. They don't wanna see it happen, but we say fuck it. They don't wanna see it happen, but we say fuck it. One way or another, I'ma love you. Sliding undercover. They don't wanna see it happen.
This is what my hair looks like the next day once I take down my perm rods and my plaits. As you guys can see, my hair came out very curly. The ends are very curled, and then like my entire twists are curled. And this is how I like to wear my 2-strand twist. And I wear it like this for about 2 weeks. It can last that long. It's a nice protective hairstyle. You guys can change up the style every day. This is how some of the different styles that I wear with my hair. All I do is just do the same thing at nighttime. Just go through and add the products in and then plait it. And it comes out curly every single day. So let me know what you guys think about this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I'll see you guys in my next video.